In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an E** trade statement. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure you find the right document. We will be using the website method, which is quick and convenient. First, you need to log in to your E** trade account. Open your web browser and go to the E** trade website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have the necessary permissions to view and download your statements. Remember, keeping your login details secure is essential for protecting your financial information. With your account now open, the next step is to navigate to the Statements section. Begin by selecting Accounts from the main menu. From there, choose Documents or Statements. If prompted, make sure to navigate specifically to Account Statements. This section is where all your account statements are stored. It's like a digital filing cabinet, keeping everything organized for you. Now let's focus on selecting the specific account and statement period you need. Choose the account for which you want to download a statement. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the correct one. Then pick the month or statement date you require. This is important because it ensures you're downloading the exact document you need for your records or financial planning. Once you've selected the account and the period, it's time to download the PDF. Look for the PDF icon or the options labeled View or Download. Click on one of these options to begin the download process. Make sure to save the statement to your device in a location where you can easily find it later. This will save you time if you need to reference it again. If you encounter difficulties finding your statements, there are a few things to check. First, ensure you're viewing the correct account. Sometimes it's easy to overlook this step, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Additionally, remember that statements are typically available only if you've enrolled in electronic delivery. If you haven't, you may need to do so to access your documents online. Another thing to keep in mind is that recently opened accounts might not have generated a statement yet. It can take some time for the first statement to appear, so be patient. If you still have trouble, consider reaching out to E** Trade customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you should now be able to download your E** Trade statement successfully. This process helps keep track of your financial activities and ensures you have all necessary documentation at your fingertips. Regularly reviewing your statements is a good financial practice. It helps you stay informed about your investments and account balances. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day and happy investing.